that you're joining the literature club.
Hey, I never agreed to join.
Oh, wow, Sayori, who's your friend?
He's our club's newest member.
That's not set in stone.
This is Monika, Yuri, and Natsuki. And you already know me.
Welcome to our meeting. Are you into reading?
No need for being coy.
We'll improve your uptake.
Have a freaking cupcake, and must you bring a boy?
Time to write some poems. Don't be scared to show them. The festival stays away.
You could help with baking,
Or with banner making.
And I'll walk home alone today. Maybe we're friends, maybe we're more. How can he love a simple girl next door? I'm just not the type he's looking for.
Hey, Sayori, you doing okay?
I'm having a difficult day.
I'd say you seem pretty lonely.
I wish I could make her grin. All she wants are things back the way they've been.
She's depressed and stressed and she's feeling blue. So I don't want Sayori hanging around you.
Just Monika, 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 just Monika.
I'm so glad you're joining the literature club.
Wait, what happened to...
Oh, there's no one here named Beth.
manga is my passion. Don't you dare be fashion. The writing got finesse. Maybe you should borrow these until tomorrow. Were you looking up my dress?
Let's go read a story.
What about...
Let's talk about me instead. I've been learning piano and I sing soprano, and I can't get you out of my head. Can't look away, can't help but blush. Where did I get this overwhelming crush? It's sharp as a knife and twice the rush.
Yo, there's something I think you should know. I've never seen Yuri so
Sane and chill and still kinda sweaty, and I don't mind cutting to the chase. I'm in love with you and your gorgeous face. That's a sentiment I can't allow. So my dear friend Yuri, it's getting to the point now.
Just Monika, 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 just Monika.
Did you have guessed? Maybe you knew. Natsuki is next, I'm deleting her too. We don't need cupcakes or poems or tea. I only need you to love me. Hey, there's no one else in our way. So look at me and just